Yo, what up? Alright, now I'm showing you yeat. Alright, well, let's start off with, yeah. I should show it. Bitch is the first in the morning. I'm in everybody talking, I'm driving the shit because I don't give a fuck. Hold on. Honestly, I'm really not good doing yeet shit. Hold on. The first in the morning. I'm in everybody talking, I'm driving around because I don't give a fuck. I'm at that. Yeah. Yeah. Bitch is the first in the morning. I'm in everybody talking, I'm driving around cause I don't give a fuck. I'm at that. Yeah. Yeah. I'm not really good with, like, trust me, you can do a lot with this preset. The presets, I mean. You can do a lot with this preset. The presets, I mean. Alright. Alright. Also, I'm gonna teach how to do the ad-libs. I'm gonna teach how to do the ad-libs. Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna teach how to do like this. Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna teach how to do yeah. Yeah. But if, for the quick summary of it, all you gotta do is just look up my highest video and the high pitch video, or just get a track. Make sure it has no vocals on it, like this one. It has nothing on it, no vocals, no auto tune, none. So like all you gotta do is drag the one you want, whatever like thing you want. Say whatever you made, whatever voice of your voice you want. Like I'm just talking, like right here, and say you want to use this one. You drag it down to the one with no preset, no vocal, none. Then you share your screen and then or like record it and then like have it like running like right here. And then you have it running through the like vocal and then it'll be in your photos. Then you go to and then you download Video Star from the App Store. And then and then and then you just put it your video in App Store. Then you go to audio. And then they have the high pitch thing. Then you just cut it to how you want it, and then you just save it, and that's it. That's the quick way of it. Or if you want like actual video of it, go to my like a few months down. It's like it has like 20K views right now. Let's go to that video. It's like my highest view video. But yeah, and oh yeah, let me. Yeah, I only went quick because I already showed that one. Alright, I have one more. Alright, this one. Yeah, I have one more. Yeah, yeah. Alright. Now. Yeah, I'm gonna show. Hold on, let me show this. There you go. And yeah, that's it. Anyway, peace.